Hi, hello guys. We meet again. Today we're going to discuss about a simple, another simple function from Excel. That is Sumif and Subtotal, and how you going to use it uh, on your Excel on your spreadsheet. First, we're going to learn on how to use Sumif and Averageif. These two functions, SUMIF and Averageif, is really helpful when you need uh, to do sum for uh, data with criteria or category, just like this. If you need a total of sum for this data based on the company these people work for, IT and construction, you can use some if, and you also have to you can also uh, and yes, you can also use average if to do or to make calculation, average calculation for an IT professional here, and people who works in construction, how much for the saving. Okay, uh, for that we're going I've already made this table right here for the sum if and average if function. Okay, we're going to put sum if formula in value column right here. So basically, we're going to sum uh, the IT people savings from people who works in IT company right here, and people saving the savings of the people from construction industry in here, in the average, uh, and so on. Okay, as you may know, we if you want to total all of it, you can just use sum function, just like that. And you want to average everything in the column, you just use equal average and block the data you want to have the average. Okay, we have 10 uh, data. Let's move on to sum. Use sum if. Remember, sum if, not sum ifs. We're going to make a video later about sum ifs, but for now we are going to use sum if because we only have one criteria. That is the company which people of these people works in. Okay, sum if range. This is the range will of the criteria. Of course, this is the range, and we're going to lock it because we're going to copy this formula below. Criteria is in the next column next to it, the IT. So with this, we It means that we want to sum all of uh, savings from the IT criteria. And we're going to sum range. This is the range we want to sum. We want to calculate. We're going to lock it also. Uh, close the curves and enter. Now we have 26,900,000 as the sum of the savings from all the people who works at IT company. If you want to know how much the sum of the savings from the people from construction company, we just copy it, paste it right here. It is 39,360 and so on. The same as sum, we have also average if. Just like that, we put equal average if. The range also the same like before. We have the criteria range. We lock it. You can just press F4 to lock automatically. Right here, you don't have to put a dollar sign manually. You can just press F4 right here, and the criteria will be here in this column, and the average range is right here. Okay, we're gonna lock it. Yeah. Now we have 5,000 for 5,300 for average IT savings, and 7,000 for construction saving. Now we're going to check if this data is true. Okay, we're going to, okay, this is IT. Select all the IT saving. This is IT, this is IT, this is IT. Okay, we're going to look at now this average in IT 5,300. The sum is 26,600. It is correct, and with this sum if you can save a lot of time to sum based on criteria. uh, as the video mentioned, as the video title, we also will learn about subtotal. We're going to learn a bit about subtotal, but actually subtotal is uh, more than this simple steps that I will show you, but this is this subtotal function will also prove that our sum if and average if here is correct. Okay, if you want to subtotal right here, the difference is we're going to use subtotal. Okay, equal subtotal, and there you are. You're going to have uh, many options: average, count, max, min, sum, etc. You see this. There are two of them actually. Right here, number 9 we have sum, but in 109 we also have sum. I'm going to explain it later. But for now, we're going to use subtotal uh, 9 sum and the total of these 10 data. Close and press enter. Now we have the same result as the total. The difference is between if we use sum in total and we use subtotal function in subtotal, we can use a filter like this. We filter out. This is to give you to prove that we our sum if and average if here is correct. Just choose IT and bam, the subtotal will change to despite of uh, the range still D3 and 2 D12, but the subtotal, because we filter out the construction company, the subtotal function only calculate the IT. But if we click construction, they also have they change to construction only sum. You can use it also on average. Sorry. Just like that. I'm going to copy it so we don't have to format manually. Equals subtotal. We're going to choose average right here. And oops, sorry. I guess I'm going to do it manually. D3 to D12. Save some time. Boom. Average. Same result. So either you can use this or that. Okay, enough for I think it's enough for this video. Next video we will discuss about and learn about the difference in subtotal function of two these two function. Average in represented by 1 and average in 101. Count and 2, 102. Okay, I guess that's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Put your question on the comment section below. We're going to answer as best as possible. Thank you. Bye.